Today I'm going to show you how to use Symbaloo. Symbaloo is a bookmarking tool that will help you keep all your bookmarks in the same place, and it makes it more convenient. You can start by adding your own web mix and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it with my name. And then it'll bring you to a screen like this, and you click add a new tile, create a tile, and we're just going to do YouTube and search the web for YouTube. And there it is. It's added to your tiles. Another way you can add tiles is browse tiles, and you can browse shopping, science, whatever. We're just going to go with shopping, and I'm going to click on eBay, Best Buy, Ulta, and then we're just going to click add to web mix. Now all these are up here now, and you can just click on them and it'll take you straight to the website without having to type it in. You can change your background by going over here to settings and change your wallpaper, and you can click different wallpapers and choose whichever background you would like, or you can upload your own. I'm going to choose this beach. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.